Hi, my name's Leah, Klober's Area Account Manager for the North West UK. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Economy Dry Ridge Kit. The Economy Dry Ridge Kit is our cost-effective dry fix ridge and hip system for everyday projects. This system will allow a mechanical fix to both ridge and hip tiles and will also provide the necessary high-level ventilation at the ridgeline as required by building regulations. It comes as a complete kit, available in two sizes, 6 metre and 10 metre, and comes with screws, washers, batten straps and clamping plates. This pack also includes a number of ridge seals with 3 fixed lugs for ease of installation. This kit, as with all Klober products, comes with a 10-year guarantee, giving you quality assurance in our products. When installing the kit for ridge ventilation, the roll is the main component that is going to be doing all of the ventilation work. When rolled out, you can see there is a central strip that has a number of perforations within the fabric. This allows for warm air to escape through the top of the roof line. As a result, it helps create a healthy airflow within the roof space and prevents the buildup of moisture and condensation, which can often lead to mould, rot and structural damage. The roll also has corrugated metal strips either side, which enables you to stretch the roll and dress the sides into the profile of the tile you're working with. It also has butyl adhesive backing, which will ensure a secure seal to resist the wind uplift and help prevent any problems caused by wind-driven rain. The ridge seal in the Economy kit now has fixed lugs, which help support the seal underneath the ridge tile for a quick, easier installation, offering a secure fix to hold the ridge tile in place. As you can see, it is really easy and secure. The kit also helps to ensure compliance with a number of British standards, notably BS 5250 for ventilation and management of moisture, and BS 5534 for mechanical fixing, and with BS 8612 for dry fix performance. Klober's Economy Ridge Kit has quickly become a popular product for installers since its launch and is known for its value, no-nonsense approach for dry ridge and hip fix. I hope this kit is of interest to you, and thank you guys for watching. For more information on Klober's dry ridge and hip range, speak to your local area account manager or visit klober.co.uk today.